Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S40 and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started you will want to navigate into your settings. From here go to More and select Tethering and Hotspot or Portable Hotspot and select Set Up Wi-Fi Hotspot. Now this will bring up the couple options that you can change right here. So we have network name. This looks to be all default, so we have Android AP. You can change this, and this will just be the name of the Wi-Fi that you can find basically between the list. So that's the name that you'd be looking for. Now additionally we have the password below that, and that is one thing that I do advise you to change. As you can see, it's randomly generated, so all we need to do is select this one, remove it, and set our own. Now it can be anything like letters, numbers, but it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And there we go. So once you set it up, you can toggle it on from here. And there we go. It's right now turned on. So that is how you turn it on. And turning it off, you can also do it from here, toggle it on or off from your notification panel once you set it up. So there we go. Now it's turned off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.